Looking at the Aussie dollar stuck at a crossroads, AUD/USD has been one of the most talked about pairs, but what's really happening behind the charts? Let's break it down. Looking at the recent market chatter, the overall feeling for the Aussie is cautious, leaning towards neutral and even slightly negative. The main story is a battle between a strong US dollar and an uncertain Australian dollar. The dollar is gaining strength from rising trade tensions and expectations of a tightening Federal Reserve, making it a preferred safe haven asset. This pressure is pinning the Aussie down. We're seeing the AUD-USD pair trapped in a very tight trading range. Looking at the daily chart, the price action is stuck between two key levels. On the upside, we have a significant resistance level right around 0.66. The pair has tested this ceiling multiple times, but has struggled to break through, indicating that sellers are active at this price. On the downside, support seems to be forming near the 0.6550 mark. The market is consolidating within this narrow 50-pip channel, and indicators like the RSI are flat, confirming this lack of clear direction. The market is essentially in a holding pattern, waiting for a catalyst. So, where are the potential trading opportunities? This range itself provides clues. For range traders, selling near the 0.66 resistance or buying near the 0.6550 support could be a strategy. However, the bigger move will come from a breakout. A decisive close above 0.66 could signal a bullish turn, with a potential target around 0.6640. On the other hand, a breakdown below support could be triggered by strong US inflation data or negative news out of China, a key trading partner for Australia. A break below 0.65 could open the door for a much deeper slide. So, to summarize the key takeaways. First, the sentiment for AUD-USD is currently cautious and neutral to bearish, heavily influenced by a strong US dollar. Second, the pair is locked in a tight range, with key resistance at 0.66 and support around 0.6550. And third, the next major move will likely depend on a fundamental catalyst, like inflation data or central bank news, that can force a breakout from this consolidation. For now, AUD-USD is a patient trader's game. Watch these key levels closely, as the breakout, when it happens, could offer a significant opportunity. Trade smart and stay informed.